Today we're playing receptionist in the waiting area of a professional office.
And we're gonna have to do and say whatever the other guys tell us to.
And if you refuse anything, you lose.
Is this real?
Is it real?
It's real.
Oh.
Hi, how are you? You could have a seat right over here, my friend. I'll call us in a minute.
Joe, get out from behind the desk and go to the file cabinet. Open the top drawer, ask if he wants one.
It's just a drawer full of hot dogs.
Joe, push the hot dogs, bud.
You want one, or?
Oh, no, I'm good.
You know?
I'm pescatarian.
Oh, you're a pescatarian?
Yeah.
I might have a fish in here. Where'd I put the fish?
Well, be careful with, with beef now.
Yeah.
It leads to early disease when you get older.
Nah, I'm 29, I'll live forever.
That's true, yeah. Man, I'm 29, I'm gonna live forever.
You're not 29.
I'm 29, yeah. How old are you?
29. Oh, my God! I'm gonna tell you, you're between the ages of mid-35 to 45 years old.
Oh, nailed it! He's dead in the middle of that.
You're about at least 45 times.
45? You think I'm 45 years old?
Joe, just open mouth sneeze on the wall. One more time in the same spot.
Ew, it's gonna make me gag.
Oh, God.
Wait, but I'm gonna sneeze again. He's videotaping.
Do it right now.
He's videotaping you. You sneeze. Joe, go into the other room and come running back and sneeze on the wall.
Hey, so man, did you get the fax that we sent?